Courtesy of your Miami Realtors, you now have access to IMLS, International MLS for free from Miami. The IMLS has listings in 70 plus countries available in 100 plus languages and enables agents to have all IMLS listings for their own websites. The IMLS empowers all agents and brokers to display international property listings, knowing that commissions can be made on any sale which is generated by their IMLS search through the referral agreements with other agents around the world. International MLS offers Miami members complimentary membership in the International MLS with full IMLS agent platform access. As a Miami member, all your listings are now promoted on www.theimls.com, a global portal in 100 plus languages. Your listings are also advertised on thousands of other agents and broker sites globally in 100 plus languages around the world. All this and more with Miami and the International MLS, IMLS. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.